are small cavities in rocks lined with crystals or minerals. Agate is an ornamental stone consisting of a hard variety of chalcedony quartz, typically banded in appearance. Often geodes are surrounded by banded agate, and many of them are extremely beautiful. Most geodes are small, but they are intricate and sparkling and often very, very pretty. Traditionally, geodes help you connect with your inner self, healing from within as the crystals in the geode grow inside the rock. I'm not sure I believe that. However, I can attest to the satisfaction and relaxation that results from making a beautiful artwork reminiscent of a geode. The advantage of creating your own is that you can choose any colour combination you desire, and if you want, you can include a whole range of real crystals to add to the design, along with glitter and metal leaf, which are well known to improve your state of mind. This course will take you through everything you need to know to create a single-piece resin geode artwork. I cover mini geodes and larger versions. I go through preparing the substrate, selecting and arranging crystals and other mixed media like shells, and colouring the resin in a myriad of different ways. I show you how to pour resin so as to allow mixing of the lines, or how to keep them separate if you wish. I go through adding the agate bands and using spray paint and metal leaf. I explain the options of what to do with the edges and how to add texture. Finally, I go through the different ways of finishing the artwork and discuss possible mounting methods, to frame or not to frame. That is the question. This course is not prescriptive. It gives a whole range of methods and suggestions of the sorts of things you can do to create different effects that you might want to include in your artwork. But what I hope you will gain from this course is the confidence to give resin art a go. It is easy to create something fun, and with a little more knowledge and study, I believe anyone can create something truly spectacular using crystals in the way I describe in this course. My name is Alison. I am a resin artist based in Bristol in the UK, and I own the Fuzzy Comma art brand. Resin is uniquely suitable as a medium for creating geode art, and I hope you will join me on this crystal adventure.